Gonna rip up paper.
Rip paper?
Yeah.
I can help you with it, Dad.
Okay. Now just put a little bit of bleach water on.
Bleach water? Is this just water?
No, it's got it's got chemicals in there.
Can I pour it, Dad?
More. It's okay. We want to make it mushy.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good right there. All right.
Can we squeeze it up like a little popcorn?
Yeah, squeeze it up. Perfect. Let's do it one little bit at a time, huh?
Wait, wouldn't you touch the bleach when you will die?
No, you just don't drink it.
Right, because you will die?
Yeah, you will die if you drink it.
But it smells like nothing.
I know, because you just got to put like a little bit of bleach.
It smells like paper still.
You want to do the glue?
Yep.
And the other part?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do it.
It's ready.
Now pour some glue.
Okay.
School glue. Okay. Pour some glue in there.
Okay. Oh, what is that? What is that? Hey, too. I dropped some on the floor.
It's okay. No big deal.
You mix it all up.
Oh, see, look, the camera's going down. Look.
We better hurry fast.
Okay, we're gonna get it all off your hands. Okay, let's go wash your hands.
Why?
Because we gotta let the camera charge. Go for it. Put it all in there. Put a lot of it in there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, put some more. Put some more. Yeah. Yeah.
Put the water?
Here, put some water.
That water with the letters?
Yeah.
How much?
Put it all in there. Not all the water. I'm talking about like...
Some water, okay? To mix it.
Yeah, put some more. Put some more. Yeah, go ahead, put it all. Put all of it. Because we're going to make all of this.
I'm going to smear it all around.
Yeah, spread it all around.
It looks like there is this.
Great job, yeah.
Are you making this?
Yeah, we're making the paper mache. Okay, go ahead and close that up and then put it on the side.
Too much.
No, that's perfect, see? You got to get it nice and soggy.
Soggy like cereal?
Soggy. Yeah.
Oh, it looks like an ugly catfish.
Yeah. You got to tear it up. Here, go for it, girls. Go for it. Squish it up and tear it up. Tear it up. Small pieces, remember?
Yes.
Small pieces. Yeah. Get it as small as you can, okay?
Okay, we'll try.
Let me get all this.
This small. We can do this by our own.
You're doing it on your own.
It kind of feels weird.
Yeah, mix it all up. It's got to turn into like a sponge.
That.
Yeah.
Paper mache.
It's got to turn into paper mache. Like, oh, see how? That's nice. Mix it all up.
We need a little bit more water. That's just
You think you need a little bit more water?
Yeah, because some of the parts are like... Yeah. It's just a little water. Is that the one that has holes on the cap?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. I did it. No, I did it too. Wait, about we let Dad pour on the water. How do paper and clay makes paper mache when that kind of looks hard and dry? It's a paper mache, Grace.
Well, like after it dries.
It's starting to feel like clay.
Yeah, it is, right?
Because it has like water, paper mache, and we need comic books and coloring books.
Thank you. Y'all mixed it up really well. Go wash your hands. Okay, because Dad's got to put the other chemicals in there.
Okay. What kind of chemicals?
Oh, the plaster of Paris.
Oh my gosh.
Go.
I,
Yeah, it's just like a powder, but like it's for daddy. Nothing else.
are you supposed to have gloves or something?
The last step.
How's the clay doing that?
It's okay. I think it's okay.
It's okay. You just have to try your best. What are you taking my cake for?
Oh, where's the paper?
Paper?
Where's the paper mache?
It looks kind of cool. Maybe it just needs a little more details. How about you add the head, this,
Yeah,
and everything?
I'm gonna do that, Mama. It's just because it takes time.
Hey, can you touch it?
No, don't touch it. Because it's got this stuff in there. Okay? And I don't want your hands to make it have a little rash or anything, okay?
Wait, in my big old hands?
Yeah, on your hands. I don't want you to get a rash.
Oh, I thought you got rashes in your butt.
Okay, so I got two mixes here. They're mixed pretty much the same. So that's the one we can put the dap in. Oh, this stuff you gotta use it quick though. Forgot about that. Okay, because then it turns into a rock. Okay, so I forgot about that.
Then how's your thing going?
It's coming out really well, I think.
What?
I think it's coming out really well. Just gotta.
It's like I was the knife you have it in your hands.
No? Why? Mama, can you see I'm working here?
Yeah, but there's like a little...
Mama, there's a lot of little stuff. I'm trying to fix it. Okay? I'm gonna be out there in a minute because I gotta let it dry a little bit.
I know. Then how's your thing going?
It's coming out. It dried out a little bit, which I'm happy.
I'm happy because it dried out.
Yeah. So now I get to mold it like a little bit better.
What's molding?
Mold it? That means I get to shape it. I get to make it to the shape that I want.
That's what molding is.
Yeah. Mama, I gotta sneeze because the fan's coming in. Please, I need space. Give me a kiss. Go away. Please, Mama, okay? I love you very much. Alright, so I want to make more busts for this. Like, this is my main bust, but I want to make more of these facial busts to fit on there. So I can make different styles, different stuff. I gotta fix this one up right here. This piece fell off. That's okay, it's all paper mache. So it's not gonna make a big difference. This is an old one I did. It's not even fitted for this. So I might have to Dremel this one out.